For this 1 minute fix, you're going to hit AV and then source off, not power off. And then you're going to put your hand in the left hand corner and press for about 15 seconds. And on your radio it'll say set on. Mine is going to show set off, but that's just because I've done it before. So I'm going to push it again so it does set on. And I am not liable for any crashes if you're watching this when you're not supposed to. It's literally for passengers only, not drivers. And now you can put the car in drive and watch my Kid Scooby-Doo movie, if it'll pull up. And a quick shout out to my good friend Dale. I made this video because he suggested it. There we go, it's playing and I'm able to actually put my truck in the drive now, and it won't stop the video. It'll keep playing. And that's how you easily bypass the parking brake.